When you came into my life, you were just my blockmate. Then you became my friend. Would have thought, right? But somehow, we became close. Grabe no? Imagine, you were just a dream. Crush lang kita eh. But now I get to call you my husband. Lakas ko talaga kay Lord.
From the moment we met and started getting to know each other, alam ko na. Alam ko na ikaw na. Walang biro. Walang halong pambobola. Yung mga araw na lumalabas tayo sa LB, naging mag-textmate at kumakain sa labas ng sabay. From sumasama sa mga blockmates hanggang sa naging tayong dalawa na lang, I knew you were the one.
Umiiyak ka.
Mahal, you are the kindest person I know. Hindi nagrereklamo, lalo na pag family. You are always so willing to help. A lot of people already know this, but you made me better.
Palagi mong tinatanong kung bakit mahal kita. Sa totoo lang, I can spend a lifetime telling you and never run out of reasons. I love you because you are my home and my peace. Yakap mo yung sagot sa mga struggles ko.
They say the most important decision that you will make in your life is choosing your spouse. So thank you, love. Thank you for choosing me. Kasi mahal, paikot-ikutin man natin ang mundo, bumaliktad man ang araw at gabi. Sa relasyon natin, ako yung maswerte.
So take my hand and walk with me. We'll weather every storm and sea. We'll build a life upon these wild dreams. We've found what we've been looking for, from evergreens to golden shores. All that we could want is here and now. So take my hand and walk.
I vow to remind you and make you feel my love every single day, to support you and prioritize you even if you have kids na, and to love you ng walang hanggan at walang katapusan, simula noon pa, ngayon, bukas, and forever.